Welcome to TPCLOUD's YouTube channel, which shares technology information, especially in the field of cloud computing. Today we come to the series. Let's start it with TPCLOUD. After registering to use Cloud's VPC service, you will receive an email containing your login information to your cloud. We will call it Virtual Data Center. Now, we will log in. After logging in, this is your VDC Overview interface, where you can see all your VDC information, such as CPU information, memory information, storage information, VM and VApp, and some other information. We will learn about each of this information throughout this series. Now, click to enter into your VDC. This is the detailed interface of your VDC. And first, we will start with Edge Gateway. Edge is a virtual gateway that TPCLOUD will provide for you. The Edge gives you access to all NSX Edge services such as firewall, NAT, DHCP, VPN, load balancing, and high availability. Here, you can view Edge Gateway information, including name, subnet mark, IP address, and default gateway. Next, I will show you how to create new network. There are two types of networks we need to know about. They are isolated and routed. Isolated mode provides a fully isolated environment where only the VMs in this VDC can connect to. And routed mode provides controlled access to machines and networks outside of the VDC via an edge gateway. Now, let's create an isolate network. Give name for this isolated network. Create new gateway CIDR. Here, you can add a description for the network, or you can skip it if you don't want to. Shared option, you can choose or not. When shared, this network will be shared among VDCs in the same tenant. Click Next, and here you will need to create an IP pool, which will provide the IP for VMs using this network. Click Add and Next. Declare information about DNS. Click Next. Finally, review the entire information again and click Finish to begin the network creation process. Here you will see the network creation task being run. While the task is running, I will create another network. This time, I will create the network with routed mode. As you can see, in routed mode we have the option of connecting to the edge gateway. In the interface type, we have three options: internal, distributed, and subinterface. Continue to create an IP pool for the network. And next is DNS. Review again. And select Finish. And we have finished creating a new network. After creating the network, I will now show you how to change the settings of the network that has been created. And to get started, click on the network you want to change. In the General tab, click Edit and you can change the network name or turn on or off Share feature. The Connection tab is where you can connect to the Edge gateway. Now we come to the IP Management tab. In the Static IP Pool section, we can change or delete the created IP pool. Similar to DNS, we can change them. We can enable or disable the DHCP pool service at the DHCP section. And finally, IP allocation, where we can control the IP usage of the VM. Now, I will try changing DNS. DNS has been changed. Continuing, I will turn off the DHCP IP pool service. It was off. And finally, I will remove the existing IP pool and replace it with another. Come on, let's review the changes again. Now you know how to change the settings of a network. Finally, I will show you how to delete a network. First, I will select a network to delete. In this example, I will delete the network demo isolated network. All you need to do is simply click Delete. Observe the running task. And the network deletion process is complete. Through these short videos, you can create, edit, or delete networks for your VDC. This is the first part of a series of tutorials on how to use the VPC service of TPCLOUD. Please subscribe to the channel and watch the next tutorials. And do not forget, if you are looking for a professional cloud service provider, contact us at www.tpcloud.vn. Thank you and have a nice day.